How to treat a bee sting naturally. Bees are well known for their honey-making skills, but unfortunately, they are also known for their terrible stings. Although bee stings can be extremely painful, they usually heal without any complications and rarely need a doctor's visit. Make sure to closely evaluate the sting site and remove the stinger from the skin by wiping it with gauze or scraping it with a fingernail. The stinger and its venom sac should be removed from the skin as quickly as possible to avoid any additional discomfort. Wash the area thoroughly with water and soap, then apply any of the following all-natural remedies to ease your discomfort. 1. Ice. Wrap an ice pack or bag of ice in a towel and press the bundle against the sting site, holding it in place for several minutes. 2. Essential oils. Antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal characteristics are found in a variety of essential oils. Tea tree oil, witch hazel, lavender oil, thyme oil, and rosemary oil can all be used to help relieve a bee sting. Mix 1 drop of essential oil with 4 or 5 drops of a neutral carrier oil, such as olive oil, before applying to the skin. 3. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a plant-based gel that moisturizes and soothes the skin organically. It has both anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Applying a small amount of gel to the bee sting will help minimize swelling and prevent infection. 4. Honey. Honey has several therapeutic qualities, including anti-inflammatory chemicals that help decrease swelling. Honey's inherent antibacterial properties also aid in infection prevention. 5. Baking soda and water. Baking soda when combined with water helps to neutralize bee venom by decreasing discomfort, itching, and swelling. Make a paste using baking soda and water and cover the afflicted region generously. Then, apply a bandage and leave it on for at least 15 minutes. 6. Basil. Crushed basil leaves placed on the sting site are highly effective in treating the pain and inflammation. 7. Toothpaste. While there is no scientific proof to back up this belief, many people believe alkaline toothpaste can help neutralize honeybee venom. Simply dab the afflicted region with a tiny quantity of alkaline toothpaste. Keep in mind that this method may only work for honeybee stings and not for stings from other bee and wasp species. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.